This is bad. My eyes are burning. And I can't breathe. Good afternoon, you guys. I am back at my mom's. We still have to make the tamales. So that's what we're gonna do today. Maybe doing some Christmas shopping later. I'm not sure, depends how long everything takes. But right now we're about to get into these tamales that I told you guys we were about to make. I just have a mimosa because we had breakfast earlier and unlimited mimosas. So yeah, let's get into these tamales. Here's my mom. She has the stuff.
Chicken tamales.
Chicken.
These are gonna be chili.
Chile.
And that's gonna be roast beef.
Roast beef. These are the, wait, what are these called again?
Those are
The
leaves.
husks.
The tamale leaves.
Tamale leaves.
And the masa.
The masa. Both bowls of masa?
All of these are masa.
Okay.
All of it.
That's everything we need.
That's it. And we're gonna get in right now.
Why do y'all wear gloves?
Because I don't want the chili on my fingers too much.
So we're about to learn how to do what? How to stuff them? What is it?
Learn how to make them.
Okay.
Okay, look. You see how this is? Watch this. Grab your spoon. Look. This is as easy as for me. Cause look, go like this and you go up with it. See? You go up with it. You don't need too much, but don't do too little either. Okay? Do it like that. And look, see when mine broke, this is what you do. You add it to make it bigger so it can fold good. I'm gonna make a chili one. You're gonna make a chicken one, okay? Use your spoon. Okay. Don't stuff it fat, but stuff it. You feel me? Okay. In the middle? Right in the middle. Right in the middle. You always keep your masa right here, because this is the part that you're gonna fold over when you put it in the pot. Okay? Okay, you got your meat on there. You want to put some olives on there. You ain't gotta put too many olives. And chili. These are my chilies, okay? No, it's not. This is how they like it.
The seeds out, you good.
Keep it in your own hand so you can do it. Look, just a little bit. And look, you ready? Just fold. You fold. And you get this and you go up. Ta-da! And then when they go in, they're gonna go like this, because they're all gonna be bunched and they'll be all ready because they're still raw. All right! Yeah! High five, your first tamale!
All right, I'm about to try to make a couple of my vegan ones. I'm gonna be using this cheese. This is diet. I don't like to eat this on the regular like in my tacos. I like to use a cheese called, is it Viola or, hold on. Hold on, let me show you just so you know what's good and what's what. Violife. I like to use this on my tacos. I think it melts better. So I was thinking it'll taste better in my chili and cheese tamales. So let's get started.
I'm gonna put it on here like this and you spread down. Don't put it all the way up here. So I always put my hand here so I know. And then you just go down. You don't have to do too much. And how I roll them like a burrito. And then you flip it so it don't come out.
2 hours later.
She's looking at the camera. Mom,
Just help me.
I can't breathe.
Okay.
Oh my God, no, this is bad. Something's
Plastic.
Plastic is.
Please turn it off. Oh, that shit is still burning over there. I can't breathe.
Stephanie, everything is off. Everything is off.
What the fuck is burning over there? This is bad. My eyes are burning, and I can't breathe. All right, so y'all know we were making tamales. I'm outside because something's burning. I don't know what. It's not the tamales. It smells like plastic and it smells really toxic, and I can't go back in there because my eyes burn. She's still putting plate and food and everything, and I can't do it. My eyes hurt.
She's plating food. Oh. Let's go. Let's go.
Get one thing. Okay, so we had a little crazy situation. It was smoky. What happened in the house? Tell them what happened. What happened?
It was smoky, and when we got in, Grandma said, "Go to Trayvon's house."
Oh my gosh, you telling too much. Is it tamale good?
Yes.
Good.
A little bit hot.
A little bit hot. What, spicy? Spicy?
Yeah, a little bit spicy.
No, he has a chicken one. So he said they're a little bit spicy. I'm about to try the ones that I made. Let me open mine really quick. And I'm on my phone because I'm editing with my camera. Mine looks a little bit flat, but this was my first time ever making a tamale. But it looks like it could be good anyway. So let me see. They came out good. I like it. But yeah, don't worry about the fires,
Kenzie, I'm
guys.
eating, hon.
Fire. There was no fire.
They all left me. But look,
Because you wanted to sit here. Yes. How do we run out? You know how my eyes was burning and I couldn't breathe because of the smoke. And now my mom is making fun of how we ran out. But what were we supposed to do? Like, I don't even know how she was breathing and her eyes wasn't. It's good now. Everything aired out.
Tasting for
Yours is a little better than mine. Mine's a little flat. I should have put a little more, what's it called? Masa.
masa.
I should have put more masa. That's what I should have did because mine's a little bit flatter, but it's okay. It's okay. Next time, I'm going to put more and it'll be good. Anyways, I'm going to close out this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next Vlogmas video.